Welcome to the GTM Playbook, where we show you real plays to help you build pipeline. Today we're talking about building a targeted prospect list without leaving Claude. So you're in Claude, you know who you want to reach, but getting that list usually means opening up a data tool, clicking through filters, exporting the list, coming back into Claude to import it. It's way too many steps. And so let's do it all in Claude with the Apollo connector. For this example, let's pretend I sell for a cybersecurity company. I already have Apollo connected to Claude, and I'm just going to talk to type here. Find me CISOs and heads of security at FinTech and banking companies with 200 to 1,000 employees in the US that are actively hiring security roles. Okay, so Apollo came back with 292 total matches, and the names are partially masked until we enrich, but look at some of these companies. Nimbus, Security First Bank, Federal Home Loan Bank of SF. Every one of these companies is a fintech or banking company actively building out their security team right now. This is perfect for what I'm selling, so I'm going to go ahead and move forward to reveal their contact info. Enrich the top 5, and there we go. Full names, verified emails, locations, ready to go, and I never left Claude. Start to finish in less than 60 seconds, and you can run this exact play today. Just add the Apollo connector to Claude and get prospecting.